So the next step in our process, after getting here, is correcting the damage. How do we correct the damage? Well, for you bodymen out there, it's a no-brainer. It is the process you already know from stud welding or from older techniques. You want to lift the lows and knock down the highs. This is easier even by the bigger surface area that you can use on our tabs, and you do not need to grind away the paint. You do not need to damage the door. Just pull, GPR, glue pull repair, this dent, and then after it's been pulled, after it's been lifted, you will knock down to correct it back to its original shape as close as you can get it. So let's take our lifter, the one of our choice, for this repair, the Robo, and lift this dent. Adjust the Robo so it's ready to pull, that the adapter touches the neck of the tab, and you'll be ready to massage it up. One trick is, do not try to rip it off as fast as you can, because when you're pushing metal, you're pushing it slowly in 10 pushes. The same with the tab. Try to massage the metal, try to pull it up in stages to make sure you massage the metal up and that you arrive like this is happening now, and you pull up that low. Come a little closer with the camera and you'll be following the knocking down of the height that we created with the tab.